Often, the most powerful acts of defiance are those hidden from view. From 1992 to 1995, the city of Sarajevo endured the longest siege of a capital city in modern history, completely cut off from the world by surrounding forces. Its people were left without food, electricity, or a means of escape. In this darkness, a secret project, codenamed Object-DB, was born. The only solution was to go under the blockade. On March 1, 1993, the Bosnian army began a seemingly impossible task: to dig an 800-meter tunnel by hand, linking the besieged neighborhood of Dobrinja with the free territory of Butmir, directly beneath the Sarajevo airport runway. For 4 months and 4 days, workers toiled in 8-hour shifts, 24 hours a day, using little more than picks, shovels, and wheelbarrows. Their pay was a single packet of cigarettes, a prized commodity in a starving city. The tunnel was a claustrophobic spacious passage, only 1 meter wide and 1.6 meters high, and often flooded with knee-deep water. Completed on June 30th, 1993, this narrow passage, officially the Tunel-DB, became known as the Tunnel of Hope, or the Tunnel of Life. It was the city's secret lifeline. Through it passed food, humanitarian aid, fuel, and newspapers. A crucial oil pipeline and electricity cables were installed, bringing limited power and communication to the city. It is estimated the tunnel saved the lives of some 300,000 people. But it was also a passage for people. Between 2,000 and 4,000 soldiers and civilians transited the tunnel daily, with some estimates suggesting up to 3 million trips were made throughout the war. Citizens used it to flee, and the wounded were carried out to safety. Even the nation's first president, Alija Izetbegović, was carried through on a chair. Today, a section of the original tunnel is preserved in the home of the Kolar family, whose cellar served as its entrance. It stands as the Sarajevo Tunnel Museum, a testament to human resilience and a city's unwavering will to survive. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.